Are you having trouble incorporating music to your videos? Then this one is for you. So you have your favorite song, you added it to the timeline, lowered the volume, and it's still distracting. Then try this trick. Pull up the equalizer on the editing program you're using and target the frequencies of your subject's voice. Then slightly lower those frequencies on top of lowering the volume of the song. This way the song won't compete in the same frequency range as your subject's voice. For example, my voice usually sits between 350 Hz to 1.5 kHz. So I dip those frequencies in the music. That gives my voice space to breathe without killing the energy of the song. It's subtle, but it makes a big difference. The music still adds emotion, but now the voice cuts through clearly. Whether you're just starting out or working with older cameras, this video is for you. Whether you're just starting out or working with older cameras, this video is for you. So try this technique on your next edit and let me know how it goes. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more videography tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.